1998 Chevy 1500 Silverado. What we got done on this beautiful thing. Still got the stock catalytic converters. It comes factory dual, true dual, all the way back. And we continued that process with a FLOWMASTER Super 10. You can find the link in the description if you want to purchase one. Into 2 1/4 tailpipes. And then into 3 1/2 inch angle cut tips. Right there and right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy. 1994 Chevy 1500. What we got done on it for you guys. It's got stock converter, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then 3-inch intermediate pipe into a CARVEN exhaust. TR performance muffler. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. You don't want it too loud, and the TR edition is a little bit quieter than the Type R by itself. Then we have a 2 1/2 inch Y pipe, 3-inch to 2 1/2 inch tailpipes, mandrel bent all the way, and you wanted them out the sides with ankle cut tips. There and there, 4 by 18. Tell us what you guys think of the sound of it once you guys hear it. And we'll have a link in the description for it if you guys want to purchase it, if we can find it online. There it is, CARVEN. 1990 GMC 1500. Dun, dun, dun. It's single, it's dualed out into a single Y pipe. The original factory catalytic converter. Then what we did, put a 3-inch pipe instead of the intermediate pipe. Put a FLOWMASTER Super 44, part number 9430452. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. Then it's got 2 1/4 tailpipes into 4-inch angle cut tips. And hopefully there'll be a link in the description for those. He wanted them nice and clean and tucked. So we tucked them up for him really nicely on each side, right there and right there. As you guys can see, that's how you dual them out. Came out really pretty, really nice. Nicely done. Let you guys hear it in a second. Oh. That always makes me feel good. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments if you like this sound. Because I sure do. Let you guys hear on it. What do you guys think? Again? There's sound decibels again. 102. It's not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. Sorry guys, it's windy today, so Tennessee everyday weather changes. I always like them tucked like that. The tips. Where you only see the edge of it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Sound decibels again. Almost at 100. That catalytic converter that's on it, that big one, takes a lot of the sound away. So if you guys ever want it to be louder, you always take that converter off and put a high flow in its place if you have emissions. And if you don't have emissions, then you can find a muffler shop, they'll cut it off. But we don't cut it off. We have emissions, it's against the law. We don't do anything without emissions. There it is. Guys, here on the inside. Calls her Betty Blue, and I don't blame him, because you know what, that's my favorite color is blue, and she looks good for her age. She looks real good. He's gonna get it tinted next. Work in progress. GMC Sierra. Boom, boom, boom. It's her husband's truck, so let's see if she'll get on it. She said she will. You gonna get on it for us?